So I think
Y'all
it
finished?
should work. Maybe you should be asking me the question.
Okay.
Is that how it works?
All right, Lily, we're going to be talking about three things. Going to go with, what do you think the difference between dot and bracket notation in a JavaScript object is?
What is the difference between dot and bracket notation in an object? Well, the main difference is first, they both are used to retrieve properties from an object or method. With the dot notation, you do know in advance the name of your property. Let's say you have a dog object and you have a property age, and the age is set at 10, and you want to retrieve 10. You say, well, let's say the dog.name, and you get the name of this property. With the bracket notation, you don't know at runtime what is the actual name of your variable, of your keys inside your object. So it's a dynamic retrieval. That exists.
Retrieval?
Whatever, dynamic access of your properties is why when you're looping over the key of your object, you don't say object dot key, you say object bracket key. It's a dynamic access to your properties. That's it.
Nice. Now, next, let's go with, what do you think the difference between .toString and stringify is?
Alright, well, so JSON.stringify, what it does stringify an object recursively. So it's going to stringify every single nested object inside your big object, and you actually have a clear representation of it. Why, when you're using the toString method, it's going to stringify. Not good. It's going to if you stringify an object, if you use toString with an object, the only thing you're going to get is a bracket of your object representation. So you're going to get object. I would say that's the main difference between having a clear representation of your object and only having a string representing the type object you use it on.
Excellent. Last question. What's the advantage of having an object delegate method lookups? An object delegate method lookups to its prototype instead of having that object created with methods as properties?
Well, the main advantage to having a delegate object is that you have a constant lookup to the property and method of this object. So if you were to have copied it or created it at first, then you will have done a copy of it and you will be stuck with the properties and method of the object you created. With a delegate object, you just have constant time lookup to those methods and properties. And if this object, method or properties get updated, well, constant time lookup and you're fine. I mean, really the advantage is a constant time lookup.
Nice.
Short answer.
Very good.
Let's see if it works first.